Hey, welcome back. So, today we're going to start a new topic in math, and we're going to start with multiplication. So, we've talked about single digit multiplication, and really the best way to do single digit multiplication, even though I've shown you different techniques such as arrays and the area model, is to memorize it, such as 4 times 8 is. What's 4 times 8, guys? Right. Thank you. 32. 32. So there's several different ways to figure that out. There's, of course, an array where you can do 4 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you count all those marks, I guarantee you there will be 32. Unless I made a mistake, which is completely plausible. However, that's just one way. There's also a way that we didn't really take a lot of time on, but there's skip counting. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Now that is great if you can count by fours, but counting by fours is not always the easiest thing. So another way, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 8 plus 8 is 16. And 16 plus 16 is 32. So, we went over memorization, skip counting, arrays, which I did an entire video on, and now repeated addition, which for this problem is not too bad. For something like 2 times 3, it would really not be that bad. But for a problem like 10 times 37, that might be a little more difficult. However, that's another strategy if you decide to use it. So, as you get up to 4th and 5th grade, and I think a little at the end of 3rd grade, you get to multiplication problems such as this. 32 times 4. A 2 by 1 multiplication. I think I actually said division earlier. My mistake. So there's a couple different ways to do this. Actually, a problem like this wouldn't be too hard to do repeated addition with. You could do 32 plus 32 is 64 plus another 32 is 96 plus another 32. Now, you just have to make sure you do 32 4 times. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got 4 times. Now, with this problem, that wouldn't be that difficult. However, the way I grew up and what I learned is the standard algorithm way, and I think that's the easiest way. However, you've got this other trick if you need it, and this is repeated addition also, but I'm going to show you the standard algorithm. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 3 times 4 is 12. So 32 times 4 is 128. And I'm willing to bet if we did 96 plus 32, we get 128 also. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 128. So that is 2 methods, repeat addition and the standard algorithm, to do 2 by 1 multiplication. So let's do another one. Let's do 45 times 8. So one thing you can do, and one thing that I would that I think would save time, is if you list your 8s. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. So that's all that we're going to need for this one. However, I think that'll save you a little bit of time in the long run if you need to do that. So 5 times 8, as we said, is 40. So we put down your 0 and carry your 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus the 4 that we carried is 360. So you've got a bigger number that you're multiplying here, 8. So if you wanted to do repeated addition, by all means, go for it. And I promise you'll get the same thing. But I don't think repeated addition is the easiest in this case. So there's this new method going around, this box method. It might not be new, but it's new to me because that's not how I learned. But I had to relearn it so I could help the kids I work with do the box method. So let's incorporate the box method in here. So we're gonna do this a few different ways. Let's start with a box, rectangle, because that'll make it easier. So if we know our place value is 63, 63 is made up of 60 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. And then what we're multiplying by is 6. So we put 6 over here. Now we multiply each thing by 6. 6 times 60 is 360. And just in case anybody wondered how I did that so fast, 6 times 6 is 36, and then we add a 0. 6 times 3 is 18. Now we're just going to add those up. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then we have a 3 left over. So 378. So now let's do the standard algorithm. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry your 1. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. So that's 378 also. Alright, now let's do repeated addition. Because once again, this is a little bit of a big number, but you can still do it. Ooh, that's hurting my arm. So as you can see here, even though it was a little bit tight, because it hurt my arm, we got the same thing. So that's 3 different ways to do the same problem. We've got the box method, the standard algorithm, and repeat addition. So let's come up with one more and you try it. And I would love to see your answers. Email me, text me, whichever you would like, and let's see what we get. 73 times 7. So this is your problem, guys. 73 times 7. You can do it repeat addition. As we saw, it still works. You can do the box method. You can do the standard algorithm. Even though I wouldn't recommend it, if you would like to, you can do an array. However you solve it, just solve it. Send me the solved problem, and I will send you my congratulations and maybe show up at your house with a little treat. So that is 2 by 1 multiplication. Very important. We did 1 by 1. We just did 2 by 1. We'll go to 3 by 1 and 4 by 1, but I think that if you get 2 by 1, you can do anything by 1. But we'll take it step by step. So until next time, guys, keep practicing. Keep working on your multiplication tables. And we'll see you later.